Hello guys, this video is going to explain to you how to make option in Google Sheets. Okay, the first that you have to do is you have to prepare your Google Sheets like this. And we are going to put the option in this A cell to the column option here. And then we have to block the column like this. And we have to click this icon. Okay, click this icon. And you have to choose data validation. Choose the data validation, and we have to choose the criteria here, and we can just list from a range, and we should enter the formula here. Pay your attention to the formula that I'm going to write. Okay, A1 to A3, and we have to put like the dollar icon here. Okay, and then you have to click save. Okay, click save, and now you can choose the option here like this. Okay, you can choose option A, or you can choose option C. Yeah, that's the tips from me guys, and thanks for watching.